Hello everyone, it's Chandler South, the broker owner of Florida Life Team Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Today we're in Bradenton, Florida, just 3 miles to the famous Anna Marie Island. Welcome to the Rubytail, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, plus a dedicated office and/or study, 2,850 square feet under air. Let's go inside and take a look. So first thing walking up, you do have a dedicated front porch area, really cute. Here is your single entry front door. Opening up the front door, to the left of me, you're going to have your first guest bedroom with ensuite. So here is the guest bedroom right over here. Again, you do have an ensuite bath, so there is your walk-in tiled shower and single vanity. Okay, coming out of the first guest bedroom, here is your office and your den, also towards the front. And then you also have a nice guest bath right here, which is a half bath. Going to the other side, which would be the right side, here is your laundry space. That would be entry into your garage. A little place to take off your shoes, and of course right over here you're going to have your washer dryer and your laundry sink. Leaving the laundry room, you're going to have 2 guest bedrooms also down this hall. Guest bedroom number 1, guest bedroom number 2. Each of those guest bedrooms will share a full guest bath, double vanities, and a shower tub combo, tile all the way to the ceiling. Walking down the hall, there's that half bath once more for your guest. Now let's walk into the main floor plan. Here's your beautiful chef kitchen, dining space. Again, 4 big old windows brings in plenty of natural light. Turning back around, here is your living space. Another view of the front entry. And again, going through the kitchen. Beautiful chef kitchen, upgraded kitchen and appliance package. This is a gas community, so you do have a gas cooktop. You can walk into your kitchen. Wine fridge in the back with extra wine storage. Coffee bar right over here. And of course, here's your pantry. Turning back around, another view of your island. Again, another view of your dining. Living. Let's go view the owner bedroom. So walking over here. Here is the owner bedroom. 3 big old windows, brings in plenty of natural light. King size bed for size reference, so definitely a nice large room. Turning back around for you guys, another view of your owner bedroom. Going into your owner bath. Again, double vanities over here. Going into your owner closet. Again, definitely nice size. Turning back around. Another view of the walk-in tiled shower, shower head above, view of the owner bedroom. Let's go outside to the pool area. So over here is going to be a single entry door to the outside. You do have a summer kitchen on this one. Beautiful fireplace. Turning around, plenty of places to entertain and lounge. You also have a nice lap pool with a water feature and a sun shelf. Turning back around, another view of the outside. Let's go through the sliders. Again, another view of the pool area though. And again, give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575 if you want more information, or you can always visit my website, liveplayflorida.com. And again, welcome to the Rubytail.